Hey, it's Travis Fairwalt here with Air Power Live, and today we are at the corporate office of Air Power for Air Power University, or Air Power U. One of our 5 presenters today happens to be standing with me right now. Mark,
hey,
how are you?
I'm doing great.
We recently did a podcast together.
Yeah, that was a ton
So
of
we're
fun.
meeting for the second time. That's great. We know that we're talking about emerging technologies, manufacturing trends. What does FANUC want to work training today? What are you doing?
So today we're going over, we're going over all the applications that our robots are best suited for, how we approach those applications. We're talking a little bit about some of the emerging technologies we have in the IoT space, right? So Internet of Things or smart technology, and just making sure that the Air Power team knows, what's out there and what they have availability to.
Fantastic. Well, we thank you for joining us,
Yeah, of
and
course.
we'll catch you later. Manufacture it. A great day.